that till yesterday we were discussing how Durvasa Muni came near Ambrish Maharaj, and Ambrish Maharaj invited him for prasadam while he was about to break his Ekadashi fast on the day of Dwadasi. Okay, so then what happened? Durvasa Muni went there to take bath. He came very late. So because it was getting late, Ambrish Maharaj, with the consideration from other Brahmanas, he decided to take little butter, and then he took, and then Durvasa Muni came. He was very angry, and he said, "You have disrespected me." He created a fiery demon to kill Ambrish Maharaj. But because Ambrish Maharaj was a pure devotee of Lord Sri Krishna, so Krishna has already appointed Sudarshan Chakra in order to protect Ambrish Maharaj from all the difficulties. So when this kind of difficulty came, immediately Sudarshan Chakra came and killed the fiery demon. That was the story. And after that, what happened? After that, that Sudarshan Chakra, he did not stop only after killing fiery demon, but started chasing Durvasa Muni also. 49. Tad avidravad udvikshya swaprayasam cha nisfalam Durvasa dudruve bhito dikshu prana pratipsaya. Tat, of that disc, avidravat, moving toward him, udviksha, after seeing swaprayasam, his own attempt, cha, and nispalam, having failed, Durvasa Muni, dudruve, began to run, bhita, full of fear, dikshu, in every direction, prana paripasya, with a desire to save his life. Upon seeing that his own attempt had failed and that the Sudarshan Chakra was moving toward him, Durvasa Muni became very frightened and began to run in all directions to save his life. Okay, so he was very afraid, and then he started running. Okay. Tam anvadhavat bhagavat rathangam davagni uddut sikho yathahim tathanushaktam munir ikshamano guham vivikshu prasasaramiro. Tam, unto Durvasa, Anvadhavat, began to follow Bhagavat Ratha Angam, the disc appearing from the wheel of the Lord's chariot, Davagni, like a forest fire, Udduta, blazing high, Sikha, having flame as it flows, a snake, Tatha, in the same way. Shaktam, as if touching Durvasa Muni's back, Munihi, the sage, Ikshamana, seeing like that, Guham, a cave, Vivikshu, wanted to enter, Prasara, began to move quickly, Meru of Meru mountain. As the blazing flame of a forest fire pursue a snake, the disc of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, began following Durvasa Muni. Durvasa Muni saw that the disc was almost touching his back, and thus he ran very swiftly, desiring to enter a cave of Sumeru mountain. Very afraid now he is. So he was feeling, so Sudarshan was chasing, but sometimes it was like Durvasa Muni felt that Sudarshan had just touched his back. He was running very fast. Disho nabha shamam vibran samudran lokan sapalam stridvim gathasaha yato dhavati tatra sudarshanam dushprashaham dadarsha. Disa, all direction, Nabha, in the sky, Kshama, on the surface of the earth, Vibran, within the whole, Samudran, within the seas, Lokan, all places, Sapalan, as well as their rulers, Tridvim, the heavenly planets, Gataha, Gonsa, Durvasa Muni, Yata, wherever, wheresoever, Dhavati, he went, Tatra, they are everywhere, Sudarshanam, the disc of the Lord, Dusparshaham, extremely fearful, Dadarsha, Durvasa Muni saw. Just to protect himself, Durvasa Muni fled everywhere in all directions, in the sky, on the surface of the earth, in caves, in the ocean, on different planets of the rulers of the three worlds, and even on the heavenly planets. But wherever he went, he immediately saw following him the unbearable fire of the Sudarshan Chakra. Nobody was able to save him. But these are normal personalities who first he tried normal ways of protecting himself. Now further what is doing? Alabdhanatha sasada kutashit santrast chitto aranam esha manaha devam vrincham samagad vidhatas trahi atmayone ajitte jasho mam. Alabdhanatha sasada kutashit santrast chitto aranam esha manaha devam virincham samagad vidhatas trahi atmayone ajit tejaso mam. Alabdhanata, without getting the shelter of a protector, saha Durvasa Muni sada always kutashit somewhere santrast chitta, with a fearful heart. Aranam, a person who can give shelter. Eshamanaha, seeking devam, at last to the chief demigod Virincham, Lord Brahma Samagad approached. Vidhataha, O my Lord, trahi, kindly protect. Atma Yone, O Lord Brahma, Ajit Tejasa, from the fire released by Ajit, the Supreme Personality of God, and Mam unto me. With a fearful heart, Durvasa Muni went here and there. With a fearful heart, Durvasa Muni went here and there seeking shelter. But when he could find no shelter, he finally approached Lord Brahma and said, O my Lord, O Lord Brahma, kindly protect me from the blazing Sudarshan Chakra sent by the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So now in this pastime we will understand who is the supremely powerful, whether Brahma, Vishnu or Shiva. Who is supremely powerful, whether Brahma or Shiva or Vishnu, or there is someone else who is more powerful even from all three. That we will understand here. So Durvasa Muni went to Brahmaji and asked for protection. Shri Brahmovacha. So now Brahmaji is going to reply. Shri Brahmovacha Isthanam madiyam sahavishwametat क्रीडावसाने द्विपरार्ध संध्ये भ्रूभंग मात्रेण हि संधि धक्षो कालात्मनो यस्य तिरोभ विष्यति अहम भवो दक्ष भृगु प्रधानः प्रजेश भूतेश सुरेश मुख्यः सर्वे नियमं प्रपन्ना मूर्धन्यार्पितं लोकहितं वहामः. Shri Brahmovacha, Lord Brahma said, Sthanam, the place where I am, Madiyam, my residence, Brahmalokas, Sahabit Vishwam, the whole universe, Etad, this Krida Avasane, at the end of the period for the pastimes of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Dviparardha Sandhye, the time known as the end of Dviparardha, Bhrubhanga Matrena, simply by flicking of the eyebrows, he indeed Sandhi Daksho of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, when he desired to burn the whole universe, Kal Atmanaha, of the form of destruction, Yasya, of whom Trobha Vishyati, will be vanquished. Aham, I, Bhava, Lord Shiva, Daksha, Prajapati Daksha, Bhrugu, the great saint Bhrugu, Pradhana, and others headed by them, Praja, Isha, the controller of the Prajas, Bhuta Isha, the control of the living entities, Sura Isha, the control of the demigod, Mukhya, headed by them, Sarve, all of them, Vayam, we also, Yat Niyamam, whose regulatory principle, Prapanna, are surrendered, Murdhanya, Arpitam, bowing our heads, Lokahitam, for the benefit of all living entities, Vahamaha, carry out the orders ruling over the living entities. Okay. Lord Brahma said, Dviparardha Sandhya, end of my life. Kridavasane, when the past places of residence. Sthanam Madiyam Sahavishwamitam. Sahavishwam, whole universe he can destroy, he can vanquish, including our place of residence. Brahmaji is saying that. I, Aham Bhavo, I, and Bhavo means Lord Shiva, and not I, Lord Shiva, living entities and the rulers of the Devatas, Bhutesha, rulers of the living entities, Suresha Mukhya, and the rulers of the demigods, Devatas, all of us, Sarve Vayam Prapanna, all of us surrender to Vishnu. Okay, who is saying? Brahmaji. Yanniyamam Murdhyan Arpitam Bahama, whose orders we carry on our heads. We are taking Sarve Vayam Prapanna, we all, me, Lord Shiva, Daksha, Bhragu, all other Prajapatis, all the rulers of living entities, all the rulers of Devatas, every one of us surrender to Lord Vishnu, and that same Vishnu is order we are following, we are carrying out. Whose orders? Yanniyamam murdhyanarpitam bahama. We are carrying his orders only. Why? Lokhitam, for the benefit of all living entities. Yes. Lord Brahma said at the end of the Dviparada, when the pastime of the Lord come to an end, Lord Vishnu, by a flick of his eyebrows, vanquishes the entire universe, including our place of residence. Such personalities as me and Lord Shiva, as well as Daksha, Bhrigu, and similar great saints of which they are the head and also the rulers of the living entities, the rulers of human society and the rulers of the demigods, all of us surrender to the Supreme, to that Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Vishnu, bowing our heads to carry out his orders for the benefit of all living entities. So this is the position. So in Bhagavad Gita 10:34 it is said, Mrityuhu sarvharascha. When the Supreme Personality of Godhead approaches as death, or the supreme control of time, he takes away everything. He takes everything away. In other words, all opulence, prestige and everything we possess is given by the Supreme Lord for some purpose. It is the duty of the surrendered soul to execute the orders of the Supreme. No one can disregard him. Under the circumstances, Lord Brahma refused to give shelter to Durvasa Muni from the powerful Sudarshan Chakra sent by the Lord. Okay. Pratyakyato virinchena Vishnu Chakro Patapitaha Durvasa Sharanam Yato Pratyakhyatah, being refused virinchena by Lord Brahma, Vishnu Chakra Upatapitaha, blazing fire of Lord Vishnu's disc, Durvasa, the great mystic named Durvasa, Sharanam, for shelter, Yatah, went Sarvam unto Lord Shiva, Kailash Vasinam, the residents of the place known as Kailas. When Durvasa, who was greatly afflicted by the blazing fire of the Sudarshan Chakra, was thus refused by Lord Brahma, he tried to take shelter of Lord Shiva, who always resides on his planet known as Kailasha. So Brahma ji said no. So Durvasa ji went to Kailash, Lord Shiva, and asked for protection. Then what Lord Shiva said? Sri Shankaru Vacha Vayam Natat Prabhavam Bhumi Yasmin Parennye Api Yaj Jiva Koshaha Bhavanti Kale Na Bhavanti Hidrashaha Sahasrasho Yatra Vayam Brahmamaha. Sri Shankaruvacha, Lord Shiva said, Vayam, we, not Tat, O my dear son, Prabhavama, sufficiently able, Bhumni, into the great Supreme Personality of Godhead, Yasmin, in whom, Pare, in the transcendent, Anye, others, Api, even Aja, Lord Brahma Ji, for innumerable universes and their inhabitants come into existence and are annihilated by the simple direction of the Lord. So, I cannot do anything. There are innumerable universes in the material world, and there are innumerable Lord Brahmas, Lord Shivas, and other demigods. So many innumerable Brahmand universes. In every universe will have one Brahma and one Shiva, like that. So many are there. All of them rotate within this material world under the supreme direction of the personality of Godhead. Therefore, no one is able to compete. No one is able to compete with the strength of the Lord. Lord Shiva also refused to protect Durvasa, or Lord Shiva also has under the rays of the Lord Shiva was also under the rays of the Sudarshan Chakra sent by the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So Lord Shiva also said no. Okay, so that's what here, no one is able to compete with the strength of the Lord. So that's what, to consider the names of demigods like Lord Shiva or Lord Brahma to be equal to or independent of the name of the Lord Vishnu, second offense. Okay, so this is a considering somebody equal or greater than Vishnu is an offense towards the holy name of Krishna. Okay, somebody can compete with Krishna, somebody can defeat Krishna, somebody is more powerful than Krishna. This is an offense. One must not think like that. Okay, 57 to 59. Aham sanat kumarascha narado bhagavan ajaha kapilo apantarattamo devalo dharma asurihi marichi pramukhashchanye siddhesha paradarshana vidamna vayam sarve yanmayam mayavrita tasya vishveshwarashyedam शस्त्रम दुर्विषहम हिनः तम एवं शरणम याहि हरिस्ते संविधास्यति. Aham, I, Sanat Kumara cha, and the four Kumaras, Sanak, Sanatan, Sanat Kumar and Sananda, Narada, the heavenly sage Narada, Bhagavan Ajaha, the supreme creator of the universe, Lord Brahma, Kapila, the son of Devati, Apan Tarat Tamaha, Vyasadev, Devala, the great sage, Deval, Dharma, Yamraj, Asri, the great saint Asri, Marichi, the great saint Marichi, Pramukha, headed by Cha, also any other Siddha, Isha, all of them perfect in their knowledge, Paradarshana, they have seen the end of all knowledge, Vidama, can understand, Nano, Advayam, all of us survey totally, Yat Mayam, the illusory energy of whom Maya, by that illusory energy, Avrita, being covered, Tatya, his Vishwa Ishwarasya, of the Lord of the universe, Idam, this Shastram, weapon, that is Durvishaham, even intolerable. Durvishaham, intolerable, he indeed of Astam to him. Evam, therefore, take shelter, Hari, the Supreme Personality, for you some auspiciousness, Vidashyati, certainly will perform. Vidashyati certainly will perform. Further, past, present and future are known to me, Lord Shiva is saying. Past, present and future are known to me. Sanat Kumar, Narad, the most revered Lord Brahma, Kapila, the son of Devati, Apantaratma, Lord Vyasadev, Devala, Yamaraj, Asri, Marichi, and many saintly persons headed by him, as well as many others who have achieved perfection. Nonetheless,